So which one is better, traditional banks or digital banks? And which one should you sign up for? I'm going to be answering just that in this video, so let's get right into it. Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video where I'll be discussing which one is better in my opinion, digital banks or traditional banks. I've had my fair share of experience, and having used both for personal and business needs, I've gathered quite a few insights. Today I want to share those with you to help you decide which might be the best fit for your banking needs. First, let's look at digital banking, which has been gaining traction thanks to technological advancements. Here are a few advantages that stand out. Number one is convenience. One of the biggest advantages of digital banks is their convenience. You can access your accounts and manage your finances anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or computer. No need to visit a branch or wait in line, which is a huge time saver. Although traditional banks are also trying to catch up with the trend of striking a balance between digital and traditional, with online banking websites and apps, but yet for some of the requests and paperwork, you'd still have to visit the branch. Number two, better rates. Digital banks often offer better interest rates on saving accounts and lower fees because they have lower overhead costs than traditional banks. They can pass these savings on to you, the customer. For example, the VO Personal, which is a digital bank, is offering up to 5.5% interest on your savings. Number three, they have user-friendly interfaces. Digital banks typically focus heavily on design and user experience. Their apps on online platforms are often more intuitive and easier to navigate compared to traditional bank system. Number four is the innovative features. They're usually quicker to roll out new technologies and features like budgeting tools, real-time notifications, and seamless integrations with other financial services. Number five is little to no monthly fees. Most online banks don't charge monthly maintenance fees, or even when they do, they're about 100 to 200 dirhams lower than the traditional bank monthly charges, which could make a huge difference in monthly operational costs, especially for small to medium businesses. Number six is the low or no minimum deposit requirements. Unlike some traditional banks, most online banks don't require you to maintain a minimum balance. They also tend to have low or no minimum deposit requirements to open an account, similar to Mashreq Neobiz, which I recently opened. This one doesn't require me to maintain a minimum balance, nor did they ask me to put a specific amount to open up the account. Now let's talk about traditional banking. Despite the rise of digital banking, there are several reasons why traditional banks are still very much in the game. Number one, personal relationships. If you value face-to-face interaction and personalized service, traditional banks are still unbeatable. Building a relationship with your banker can be a good advantage for getting tailored advice and support. At times, depending on the amount of business and cash you're bringing to the table, you're assigned to a relationship manager, and that can be really invaluable. Number two is the wide range of services. Traditional banks often offer a more comprehensive suite of services, including not just banking, but also investment advice, estate planning, stocks trading, and more, all under one roof. Number three is the security and trust. Many people feel more secure knowing that they can visit a physical branch and speak to someone if there's a problem. Traditional banks have a long history and are perceived as highly trustworthy because of their physical presence. Not gonna lie, sometimes I have faced issues with my digital banking, and I really wish there was a branch or somewhere I could go to get my problem solved, rather than going into loops of never-ending customer service calls. Number four is cash management. For those who deal with large amounts of cash, traditional banks make it easier to deposit and withdraw cash, and they offer services like certified checks and money orders. So overall, cash management is much better with traditional banks. Comparing digital and traditional banks, it comes down to what you value most in your banking experience. If convenience and technology are your top priorities, digital banks might be the way to go. However, if you prefer a more personal touch and a wider range of financial services, a traditional bank might be more suitable, but could come at a cost of maintaining a minimum balance or paying monthly maintenance fees. To wrap it up, both types of banks have their merits. But personally, I lean towards digital banking because this one aligns better with my lifestyle, providing the convenience and efficiency I need for my daily banking and business operations. With that being said, the right choice depends on your personal and financial priorities. So what do you think? Which type of banking do you prefer and why? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more discussions just like this one. See you guys in the next one.